showing you different jobs and how much money you can make before the revamp with game passes also. Let's start with the police job. The police job, you could make $2,750 with the game pass. And with a second game pass, I forgot what it's called. Double pay speed, which is 30 seconds. And with Sherrif, it's $3,000 per second. Both Alright. And what else do we have? Hold on, I'll be right back. I forgot to show you guys about the new cars for the Sherrif. So first, you have this Challenger. I think it's a cat. It's definitely a cat for sure. We have the Challenger wide body. This looks clean. You gotta hear it. This is clean. The logos are a little bit glitched right now. Alright, now let's go to the scat pack. Wide body? You sure? Yeah.
It's imprinted. I apologize.
Both of them are clean. Now that's nice. And also we have the house, but since I'm on my I'm not gonna use this car actually. It'll take a second. I'll be right back. Alright. And now we are at the houses. I only bought, I think, the one. Bro.
It's imprinted and I'll be faxing.
Buddy, just go around. Thank you. Alright. Now this is the $1.8 million house. I just gotta save up. Dude, why is the lights not turning on? Alright. This is the $1.8 million house. The garage, living room, dining room, kitchen. And I'd say this is, in my opinion, kind of worth it. This is where you customize it. I just need to get my car over here. And it says customize. And the house next to me is $1.2 million. And that's honestly, that's it. I know I'm a little late, but it's alright.